The phone uses a single rear camera instead of a dual camera setup that most brands favor nowadays, specifically a 12 megapixel rear sensor with a dual tone LED flash. The rear mounted fingerprint scanner sits right below it. The front of the Redmi 5 Plus is undoubtedly more interesting than the rear, thanks to the phone's 6-inch 18:9 display. The display is Full HD+, with a resolution of 2160 to 1080, giving you more real estate on the top and bottom. There's a very thin black bezel surrounding the display, aside from the white bezel that borders the front panel, so it's not a true borderless phone, but honestly it's not too bad. Navigation is done via the software Android navigation keys at the bottom of the display. The selfie camera up top is a 5 megapixel deal. Inside the device is Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor. While Snapdragon 625 is a little old now, it's still a very capable chipset, thanks to its power-efficient nature and excellent GPU. The Redmi 5 Plus comes in a variety of configurations, with our unit being a 3GB/32GB variant. The device comes with Xiaomi's MIUI 9. GPS/A GPS/GLONASS, fingerprint scanner are available. If there's one thing we really like about the Redmi 5 Plus, it's its battery life. Coming in at 4000 mAh, the phone has enough juice to last you more than a day with really heavy use. The phone utilizes Qualcomm's quick charge tech, and the included charger outputs at 5V/2A for faster charging. The phone starts at $218, around 870.21 Malaysian ringgit, in their website, with shipping costs being relatively low for what you're paying for.